My parents always got me and my sister to write down all the things we bought in a month, so at the end we could like add it up together as a family and then see how much we were spending on things and like how much is too much and how much it costs to live in general. My name's Adam. I'm a video game developer in Vancouver, British Columbia, and I make $50,000 a year. If you asked me a year ago about my money situation or like things about money or investments in general, I wouldn't know what to tell you. But since I went to school and I graduated now about a year ago, you know, getting a bunch of student loans I think is what opened my eyes. I mean, that does something to your brain, you know, because everything you make, it just goes straight out the door. So once I graduated, I was like, okay, I'm a real person now. So I track all my spending month to month, as well as I also follow a budget, and I do that all within one app called Mint. Plus Mint is free, so that's one less expense that I have to pay. So as soon as I get paid, my paycheck kind of gets split up before I actually get to, you know, spend any of it or get the chance to. So a lot of it goes to student loans, and then a lot of it goes to my investments, and then a lot of it goes to my savings. And then the rest is pretty much my monthly expenses. I have $300 a month going to this app called Milo, which is not like Mint, but this one's actually investment, so I have a TFSA within this Milo account. It's very simple actually if you want to look into it. But the app pretty much, whenever you buy something outside, it'll round it up and put the rest into a savings or into an investment account. Like if you buy something for $5.20, it will put 80 cents into this savings. And you know, I've saved like hundreds of dollars already just doing that. So that's a great app. So I'll leave the link in the description below. You'll get a free $5 and so will I. So my mom pays for a family Netflix and Spotify, so shout out to mom, I don't gotta pay for those. I don't need a gym membership because I have a gym at my work. My car insurance is $220 a month. My phone bill is $100 a month, and my Wi-Fi is $80 a month. I spend about $300 a month on food. $200 of that is grocery shopping, and about $100 is eating out. My parents were both good cooks when I was growing up, so whenever I tried to make something, when I attempted to make something, it was always like 10 times worse, so I never got in the habit of actually making my own food. Bon appetit cereal. And so because of that, I moved out and I was like, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I've definitely learned what to spend my money on at the grocery store now, so I'm still trying to cut it down each time I go, but for now it's about $300. So I pay $1,100 a month for rent in a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment that I share with a roommate. Even though $1,100 sounds pretty expensive, which it is, a lot of places around here are way more than that. Like, Vancouver is expensive. For this place, we have 1,000 square feet and it's decently new and nice, as well as being 20 minutes to the beach and 20 minutes to downtown. I can't really complain. I like the place. So I don't know if I can call it a side hustle yet because I'm not exactly making money, so I'll call it a passion project for now. And that is my YouTube channel, where you're watching this right now. Like I said, I used to make videos when I was in high school and I was having the time of my life, and I just wanted to bring that back. Right now I'm uploading 2 to 3 times a week, which is pretty much all my spare time goes into my YouTube channel. And I mean, it's really a grind. But if you create something that in the end, you know, you can look at it and you like it and you enjoy what it is, then it's worth it. But I'm hoping to grow this channel to more than what it is right now. So if you can help me with that, subscribe.